Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate you what are the possible scenarios for NEO stock and why this level is much considerable for us due to the reason that NEO fell down almost 20% at these 2 weeks. Initially, I would like to start from my previous scenarios in which I actually recommend you to open a position at this particular time of period was 29 April and close your half or above of your hard portfolio some days ago. As you can see, was about 1 week ago, and you could be profitable 30%. And then I actually recommend you to leave your half of your portfolio to run at this time. Maybe our stop loss is just hit it, but you can be profitable 20% of your initial equity. Okay, just we can actually keep going and check what exactly happened at this week for NEO stock. As you can see, my Elliott wage was absolutely correct until now. And as you can see, all of this horizontal rise maybe breakdown, but right now we are in much important level due to the reason that at this particular time of period we don't have only the horizontal rise which actually can be worked as a support level. We have actually this Elliott wage which actually I drawn it some weeks ago, and for people who actually open a trade, the desirable scenario is right now is to go in this upside and then to actually face some difficulties, but beyond of them to keep the price above of this price which is right now. And I mean that if the price just go down at $5 on $5.30, it was be much helpful for this stock to go in this upside. As you can see, these last 2 weeks, the purchasing power of investors and traders faced some difficulties, and it was so weakness. And this is the reason that actually NEO stock just came here and had this consolidation at this level, and people actually could waiting to go again back. But right now we don't. This stock didn't has so difficulties. Didn't has this power which actually can boost this company to go in this upside, and this is the reason that actually NEO stock continues to fall, and this consolidation was no so helpful for this uptrend. Okay, but what we can expect right now due to the reason that okay, this Elliott wage can be maintained in the future, but due to the NEO stock has so big volatility, if we are going to compare this company with other EV companies, for example, like Tesla or Li Auto, okay, and this can be contribute in a big level, in big portion of level for this stock. Okay, so we are going to expect approximately some of your possible scenarios which can NEO stock can actually occur at this level. Okay, so my first forecast right now for NEO stock is to keep this price here, to has some consolidation at this price that I have already created some weeks ago. Okay, and it can be much important level for this stock to do a good consolidation here. And this is the reason that after that, if we had a good consolidation here, we can actually eliminate this risk. Okay, and to understand that okay, NEO stock has a good support level right now. Okay, so by maturity I believe that it could be the best scenario to keep some actually to keep this level as a support zone. Okay, this is the first one level, this is my first scenario, and I believe that this level here could be worked as this consolidation, and then go back at this level, test again this level, and just continue to do something like that, and to do an Elliott wage in a short time frame. Okay, okay, so this is my first scenario. What about my second scenario? Okay, it has some difficulties to expect something like that due to the reason that the second scenario, in case that this price just not test this level and go back and just continues to fall down, the people who actually open a trade in this long position can actually blow this up, to burn the your portfolio, and systematically the NEO stock does not have some big importance to go much higher than this level that actually NEO stock is right now. Okay, So, if you are going to expect something from Neostock right now, is to do a good consolidation here for people who actually believed in this Elliott wage, okay? And periodically, Neostock can actually build this structure and to have some good upside scenarios. But never forget that in this in 6 July we has the earnings and revenues for Neostock, and it's much important for us because all of these events, all of these news actually are incorporated on these stocks, in all of these companies, and I can absolutely say to you that it's certainty the most important scenarios that actually can influence the companies, which actually has in these quarters the revenues, and they actually expect some of good or bad news. Okay, so concerning your positions, I would like to advise you, if you are open a position, have in your mind that this level, it can be the last level at this particular time of period to test it. But in case that this level just go in this upside, we can expect some good scenarios for Neostock in the next weeks. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Just be patient and not open a trade without have some confirmation. For example, if Neostock does not support at this level as we actually the desirable scenario that actually would like to have, and be patient to check what exactly can happen at these days in this week. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video. Please push like and subscribe our channel to support us. Goodbye.